Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable shake to turn on the flashlight in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for shortcuts and accessibility. Here it is, you have to press on this. Now you can see here Smart Motion, go for it. If you want to disable shake to turn on the flashlight, you just have to turn off this button. So this is how to disable shake to turn on the flashlight in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.